What is up, everybody? Today we're back, and yesterday, this is my pond right here, but yesterday I came over here. It was real sunny. I may not be able to see the bass today, but all on the bank, they're starting to make their beds because obviously it's spring. They're getting ready to spawn. But me and my brother seen a few nice 4 to 5 pounders on a few beds getting ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on a bandito bug, Guggen Squat bandito bug, and let's see what color. Let's see. We're gonna put one of these on here. But I tried to fish yesterday, tried to catch them, but they just wasn't eating. They kept swarming around their bed and everything, but they are getting ready. I don't really know what they're doing right now. Haven't been here today. So, separate the claws. Okay. Let's see if we can see any bass down here. Kind of have to flip through here anyways, because let's see if we see anything. Okay, there's a bass on a bed right here. He was here yesterday. Let's see if he'll eat it. Oh, he's looking at it. He was looking at it. His head is right here. Oh, my line's caught up. My bait is right on his little bed. Okay, he's looking. Oh. He's coming. He's definitely looking at it. See if I can catch him. And that was a really nice bass. Oh, there's 2 of them right here. 2 right here. Right in front of my face. Let's see if I can trick him and him eat it again. Oh my gosh, there's like 4 bass right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's see. They're right there. I don't see him on his bed no more. Let's see if we can catch him. He did. He didn't eat my Senko yesterday, but he's loving this crawl. I can't see him no more. Yeah, I noticed he was very interested. I kept seeing his face look right at it, but he's not coming back to his bed. I did try throwing a Senko though, but he did not want that Senko, so I'm trying to throw this bait. And I tried throwing the baby bluegill from Carl's and didn't want that either. I can't talk. He didn't want that either, so I just went home and I was gonna come today. Oh, I got him. Oh no, he came off. 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 No. No. Oh my gosh, that was a nice, oh my gosh. Bro, that was a nice bass. That was a nice bass. As you guys can see, it's very windy and cloudy out here at the moment, so they're probably gonna eat even more today. Let's see. Let's walk down here. See if I can't see them better. without getting my line all caught up. I'm right on his bed. You guys can probably see it. I think I spooked him. Yeah, I think oh, he's right here. Right here. Crap, I'm getting all caught up. He may come back to his bed or he may leave, I don't know. Try not to make too much commotion. Ooh. I may come, oh my gosh. Guys, I suck at fishing. Probably know that already by just watching. How does these things happen? Oh my gosh, he's swimming by right there. Great, of course this happens when I see the bass, but it'll be alright. Okay, I got it loose. My crawl is fine. He keeps, let's see. They do like the end of this log right here. He did pick it up though, but he may be spooked at the moment. I may come back later or tomorrow, but there is more bass over here. Try to fish over here. I did see a few beds with little bass on it, but that was the biggest one I'm trying to target. Oh, I see a big bass over here. Hold on. I'm trying to go over here. Yes. I'm gonna go back there. I'm gonna go back over there in a minute. Let him get back to his bed. Oh, little bass right here. There's a little bass over here. But yeah, I seen like huge fish swimming in the water yesterday. It was real sunny. They were eating up on the bank. And there was at least, I seen like 5 or 6 pounders just cruising right here. Which they look a lot smaller in the water than they do out of the water. But he looked like a 2 pounder in water. But it was probably like a 10-pounder. Let's see if this guy's back on his bed. Let's see. Oh, he's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. He is back. He's back right here. He's back. He's back. He's cruising over there. I might just stay right here because I don't want to spook him too hard. Oh, he's right here. He's right here. He's scared of my bait. I think I know why, because I think I'm scaring him off his bed. God, that bird is tripping. Oh, he's right here. He keeps, I think I'm too close to his bed. Let me back up some so he can get back on his bed. Okay, now he's circling around his bed again. Now that I'm away from it. Oh, got it. Oh, nice one. Oh, let's go. 2 days of work, baby. Oh my gosh, this is a good one. Oh, this is a nice bass. Oh my gosh, this is a nice one. Let's freaking go, bro. Oh, this is a tank. After 2 days of work being out here, I finally, let's see. Oh my gosh, I finally caught this tank. Wow. Wow. He was stacked up on this bed over here. He was on a bed. He keeps circling like 3 days. Popped out the old bandito bug and he freaking ate it. This is at least like 2 to 3 pounder. Let's get a nice release on this bad boy. Let's see. Okay. Make sure I get a good angle. Oh, he's ready. He is ready. Oh, wrong way, bud. Sorry, buddy. I know. He's ready. He is ready. Straight back to his bed, baby. Woo! Oh, that was fun. Man, that was a nice bass. Man, I popped out the old bandito bug and he ate it. But guys, I know this is a really short video, but see, I see him already on his bed over there. But this is a very short video. I'm gonna end the video right here because I don't want to mess with the fish too much because they're not even really spawning yet, so they're just getting ready on their beds. But this bandito bug did it, baby. Yes! Finally caught him after a few days. I'll see you guys tomorrow or later.